What you must do is download the Heavy Daily Gym Training application, open the app and then wait for it to load. Register with your email and start your sporting life. When you enter the app you must click on continue and wait for it to load. Now select units weight, kg or lbs, distance and body measurements. The app will welcome you, so click continue and measure in progress. Also click continue and join the community. If you have never used this app, go to how to get started and read the steps the app gives you. Now click on start routine. Click on new routine and in add exercise you can select all the exercises you have, such as curl biceps, abdominals, abdominal roll. You can click on all equipment and choose the category you want in all muscles. Also choose from the list your preferred category. You can add the number of series you want. And click at the top to save routine. The routines you create will be saved on your cell phone and the app will help you keep track of them. Click on start routine. If you click on the clock, you can time each exercise. Now you will have no excuses to be able to train, because this app creates step by step the routine that best suits your needs.